Well, good morning. It is a little chilly out there this morning. We have temperatures that are in the upper 30s and lower 40s now. 37 in Hamilton and in Goldthwaite, 42 in Waco, 44 in Killeen, and even in our eastern counties down into the Brazos Valley, we're looking at mid to upper 40s, lower 50s now at Easterwood Airport. North winds continue at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Again, that's behind the cold front that came through yesterday. That's why we saw the storms in the morning, and now that that cooler air has settled in, you combine it with that winds, and it feels like it's near freezing in some spots. So a chilly start to the day with feel-like temperatures in the upper 30s now in Waco, Temple, Killeen. Despite that, we'll end up with a nice one. The sunshine comes back out, mid-50s by noon, low to mid-60s this afternoon as north winds hold on at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. So while it's sunny, it's going to be a cooler day. And in your neighborhood, that looks like this. 63 in China Spring and in Belmead today, same in Robinson. 63 also in Waco, Temple, 64 in Belton, 65 in Salado and Fort Cavazos. Killeen, you should reach 66 this afternoon. And across the rest of Central Texas, looks like those low to mid-60s are going to be pretty common. Now, again, we'll get the clear skies coming in this afternoon. Overnight, I expect more cloud cover to build in. That cloud cover likely saving us from falling into the 30s again. I still think we'll make it to the 40s by morning. And then during the day tomorrow, a disturbance comes over. That may be enough to trigger a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms. And if these get going, they could be a little on the strong side. So we'll watch it closely during the afternoon tomorrow. By the time we get into Thursday morning, though, we're cool again with clear skies. And by the time we get into Thursday afternoon, mid-70s as south winds take over. That's thanks to an upper-level ridge that's building in, which is important because that brings quiet weather. It also brings warmer weather as the storm track stays well to our north on the north end of that ridge. We should be quiet going through Easter weekend into Easter Sunday. Maybe some isolated storm chances coming back in as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week with that next storm system that's coming in. Until then, though, rainfall prospects look slim. Potential rainfall generally less than 1/4 of an inch, and will start to warm up as well. 63 coming up here for your Tuesday, 70 for Wednesday, a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms, 73 for Thursday. Then the warm up starts to happen. You'll notice first those morning lows coming up, getting closer to 60, and then by the afternoons, we'll see temperatures that will get into the low to mid 80s going into early next week. Here come those storm chances for early next week as well. Behind that, looks like we'll get temperatures back down into the mid 60s, and in the Brazos Valley, more of the same. 60s to start the day, 70s coming up Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see temperatures back into the low to mid 80s by the end of the week into the weekend with those storm chances by the middle of next week.